Almost everyone has heard of the fate of the first Tay Bridge, blown down by storm-force wind in 1879 as a train was crossing. Its stronger replacement, opened in 1887, is just over 2 miles long. Built where the Firth is narrower, a road bridge would be opened 2 years after this was filmed. A junction no longer, since the Tayport and St Andrews lines were closed. A mechanical signal converted to a colour light. LADYBANK is the junction for a line from Perth. King's Kettle Station closed in 1967. Thornton Junction Station closed in 1969. Omitting a few miles, we now run beside the north shore of the Firth of Forth. These industrial locos may have worked for the nearby shipyard. The Forth rail bridge, just over 1.5 miles long, opened in 1890. We look across to the Forth Road Bridge, soon to open, later in 1964. Meanwhile, the vehicle ferry still operated. Haymarket Loco Depot. Finally, we arrive at Edinburgh's Waverley Station.